guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the entry to another weekend vlog. So I just left from like Marshall's, Ross, Five Below. I was just like walking around because I like to get my little steps in. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I just want to show you guys like what I got at the store. I didn't do vlogging while I was in the store because honestly I didn't think about it until I was like midway through, and I was like, let me just keep doing what I'm doing. So the first things first, I went to Five Below. And actually Five Below was the last place I went, but whatever. So the first thing I got was another, this is probably like my fourth or fifth car tripod, because I've attempted to drive with my tripod setting up, and that's just not a good idea. And also I always store it in my glove compartment, but I should store it like right here under the armrest. So I'm gonna store this when I'm through with it, because it's great, it's sturdy, not moving, doing its thing. And that's what that looks like. And the last time when I was in DC, I ran out of travel size soap. I don't think I've ever, like when I say ran out, I mean it was my last day. I don't think I've ever ran out of travel size soap when I was on the road. But in DC, it was like so hot, and I was like in and out, and I was constantly showering, so ran out of that. So anyway, I had that bottle for a little while, and I would just like refill it. So I decided to just get a whole new one. So I got this from Five Below. It's just Dove. You've seen that before. Marshall's, I needed some new sponges, because you're supposed to change these out like every 3 months, and I got one in my shower right now that I need to change out soon. And I think underneath my cabinet in my bathroom I had like maybe one more, so I like to buy the pack. I usually get the pack of 3, a pack of 5 for like $5.99, but I got this pack of 3 for $3.99 since I already had another one underneath the counter. So technically now I got 4, so that should last me up until the new year. Also from what did I just say, Ross, because y'all, I be going to sleep mad late, like 11, 12, 1, 2, like I be up. I don't know why, but I do. I be up, and I'm tired of it. Like I want to go to bed at like 10. I want to be asleep. So anyway, I'm kind of nervous because I never taken melatonin. Now this is 100% drug free, so I did like that, and it's only 5 milligrams. And honestly, the first night I'm probably gonna only take a half of this gummy. Anyway, it's a sleep melatonin 5 milligrams. This is by Nature's Truth. So this is a bottle of 60 for $7.99. That's what that bottle looks like. So let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this. By the time y'all see this video, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna already have tested this out. It's not gluten-free, non-GMO. It's a dietary supplement. It's vegan. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. They say 1 gummy, so yeah, I'm gonna just try it out. Then I went to Ross, and y'all, I can't tell you the scent. I don't think I can. Sugar cookie. Oh girl, this shit smells so good. It's like a sugar cookie, but it has pumpkin spices. Y'all, this is so cute. It was only $5.99, and I just simply could not leave it there. How cute is that? Y'all know I'm a Halloween girl. It says trick or treat on the front. It has like black cats and like the witch's pot and pumpkin and the honey house and bats, and it has trick or treat. And I just think it's gonna be so cute sitting up on my entryway table. I think it's so cute. And the last thing that I got, y'all, that I'm really excited about because it's just so damn cute. I had to like stop myself from buying too much Halloween stuff because I know I need to get home and like check and see what I already have. I don't want to double up and buy things that I already have. You know what I'm saying, y'all? But this is only $6.99, and I could not leave it there. Look how cute. It's a witch's broom. It has the witches in, but then you can flip it and to be like the witches out. And what I'm going to do is use this as a wreath for my front door for Halloween. How cute is that? This is just, I could not leave it there. It was only $6.99. It was only 1 left. And my thing is, like, when you're in Ross and Marshall's, like, if you see it in multiples, you can be like, oh, all right, I could probably go back and get that later. But this, I really couldn't go back and get for later. Now, when I was in, because it was the only one left. Now, when I was in Five Below, they had some wreaths, some plain black wreaths, but I didn't love them, so I didn't buy them. But yeah, y'all, that's the little cute stuff that I got. I don't have anything planned, y'all. It's just gonna be me this weekend. My sister is not in town. She's back at home. Yeah, I don't have any plans. Like, I have no, and this weekend, girl, it's just me. I don't know what I gotta do when I get home, but I'll let y'all know. I think the sun is like drifting, so I'll just start driving. Of course, I'm gonna put this down because I don't want this to fall while I'm driving. I don't want that. But again, welcome to another vlog. Let's get into some stuff, girl. Some plain normal stuff at home, because that's all we can do. Happy Saturday. So you guys, this is my monstera plant. And as you see, he's a big boy and he has grown outrageously over here. So I want to pick him up off the floor and get him like socked up. This is my pothos plant and she, because I named this plant after my mom, she's grown all the way over here. Now I'm probably going to just keep her on the floor until I can figure out a way to like maybe let her grow across there. Like maybe I have to tack it up. I don't know, but I need to look it up. This is my other baby. He just survived. This is my newest plant. Those right there are fake. Those are fake on the wall, but that's real. That's the only fake plants I have in here, or those up there on the mirror. But yeah, we're about to get him stocked up, and I got them watered this morning. I'm watching The Addams Family. It's September the 9th, I'm sorry. And I'm already watching Halloween movies. Whatever makes me happy, I like to just do it. So I'm not gonna wait till October to watch Halloween movies. So I've been watching The Addams Family. I've watched Casper the Friendly Ghost. I'm probably gonna watch these movies again. I'm probably gonna watch Hubie Halloween tonight too. It's one of my favorite movies with Adam Sandler. But yeah, let me get my babies all together. You see where I have my finger at right here? I want to put one right here. And let me say this too. I know I'm not perfect at this, but these are my house plants, okay? Anyway, where I have my finger here, it lays, right? So I'm gonna put a stalk right here to like hold him up, because this is very heavy, so it won't keep falling over. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, let me try to do it. Him up off the ground for the most part, right? So I'm gonna push him back in the corner over here. So pretty, so pretty. All right, so we got him up off the ground. He was way over, he was down on the floor. He's a big boy, okay? But he looks better now. I'm still a little concerned. Do you see how this is growing? Hold on, let me see. You see how that's growing back there, coming down? I don't know, a part of me wants to put another one right there, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like that for now and see how we make it through the winter and see. Now this, my pothos, I want to like cut her and make another one. But I don't know. She's still growing beautifully. She's doing her thing, but I want her to, she's growing long. I want her up on walls. And I'm probably gonna have to call Jalen and ask him how he did his pothos plant on the wall. But I'm gonna leave it right there for now. It looks so good in the sunshine. Mama's so proud of y'all. Happy Saturday. So you guys, I need to do some couponing. So I like to do my couponing for my household supplies at the Dollar General store. So the one that I just went to didn't have everything I need in it, and we have like 4 Dollar Generals in this city. So I'm gonna just go to the one that I know is always stocked up. I don't know why I come to this one, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna just go to the one that's already stocked up, that I know that's stocked up. I haven't eaten yet today. It's 1:36. I didn't wake up until 11, close to 11. So I want to try to get something to eat. So I'll probably go to Chick-fil-A. I'm a grilled chicken, mac and cheese, medium dine lemonade girl. And then after that, I'll eat, and then I'll just walk it off at the dollar store, I guess. But yeah, I just want to check in. Happy Saturday. A very boring weekend for me. But that's okay, you know, people say life is boring, but I say life is safe. I say life is stress-free. But yeah, girl, let's go get some food. I'm starving.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if it ain't you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, be with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time, so just be. If the words you take for granted, yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage.
Alright, you guys, so I just got back from the dollar store, and let me just say, I clipped some bomb coupons because my total was $36.50, but then once I applied my coupons, $26. So yeah, get into it. So the first thing I got this Angel Soft and some paper towel, essential paper towel. I got some Dane Island Fresh, my Glad plugins, Lysol wipes. You need those. Antibacterial soap for my bathroom because I'm almost out. And this is currently my favorite. I love this secret deodorant. It's aluminum free. I deal with HS underneath my arms. I don't know if I've ever talked to you guys about that, but I have. I've like taken my medicine and everything for it. And I had my first outbreak when I was 13. I would get those rising underneath my arms. I didn't think anything of it. Like, you know, besides it being a rising, and like I went to the doctor and I remember not completely from taking all my medicine for it. But anyway, as I've aged, I will get them worse. And it'll all be underneath my arm. The heavier I am, the more that I deal with them. When I was in undergrad and I went through my journey with my weight and I lost weight, I didn't really deal with them like that because I was getting my cycles normal. But then as I picked up weight and my cycles, they were not happening as often as they usually would, then I started dealing with HSP. And so in 2019, I had a really bad one underneath my arm. Like, it was horrible. And I was trying to take myself out that weekend. I think I went and stayed in Memphis for the weekend just to get away, and had this horrible rise underneath my arm. It would not go down. It had to be the weekend of Columbus Day, because when I got back to work that Tuesday, it finally buzzed when I was on my lunch break and the blood was going all down my shirt. So I came home and like cleaned it up and had like this huge blood clot. So I was like, okay, I didn't go to the emergency room. So I went to the doctor, they swabbed it, they put me on medication. And so then after that, I was taking the medicine regularly as I should, but I was not taking it as they recommended it. So like they was trying to send me to take 2 of the pills, but I was only taking 1. And so then the doctor called me back and she's like, hey, you know, this is what it is. It's a regrowing bacteria, so you need to make sure that you're completely taking all your medicine. Completely started taking the medicine like I should. Finish it all, have not had another outbreak. Now, when I got my vaccine, the second dose of it, my underarms flared up. And I was like, oh my God, I haven't had an outbreak in I don't know when. Why would I get this rise underneath my arm? But it was just side effects of it. It was just swollen lymph nodes, so that's good. But yeah, I've been enjoying this deodorant. I was very afraid to switch deodorants because I had been using like a dry underspray deodorant and it got caught off the market. Obviously, there was some chemicals in it that should have been used. And so I was telling my mom, I was like, oh God, I'm so afraid to switch deodorants because I haven't been having no outbreaks and I don't want another one. So anyway, when I switched to this aluminum-free deodorant, have not had any outbreaks. Now I will say, which I plan on doing a hygiene video, an updated monthly beauty hygiene. This deodorant is nothing to play with. I mean, like, my body had to get used to it, girl. And like, I'm not a girl that like stinks. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not like doing so much stuff that I'm stinking. Like, even I could like, for instance, I could put my spray deodorant on at nighttime. Get up in the morning, I don't have to reapply it. I go to work, I come home, do a workout, and then I stink. You see what I'm saying? But with this stuff, in the very beginning, girl, and I don't want to get too much to this vlog about how this stuff, baby, this stuff, my body had to get it had to get used to it, girl. I was having to almost carry this stuff in my purse, but now I know how to do it. It's perfect, and my body has gotten used to it. Now, when I just recently went to DC, I don't have a travel size aluminum free deodorant. I'm on the market for one, so if you know one, please let me know. But anyway, girl, in DC, using my old deodorant, was just like a secret travel size deodorant. I think it's secret. Anyway, girl, why did I come home and I have a bump underneath my arm? I was like, ain't no way. But it went down because every day when I was in DC, I was having to apply deodorant because A, it was hot and I was taking multiple showers, you know? And so I'm applying it and I'm trying to make sure I take it off at nighttime. So even when I got back here and I got back to using my normal deodorant, it went down. So that's everything that I got from Dollar Store. I just went on a tangent about my deodorant, girl. Sorry about that. But I know I'm not the only woman who deals with issues with HS. A lot of women do. And some people don't know what it is. Now, my level, as I've learned more about it, mine isn't as extreme as other women's. I've seen other women deal with it between their breasts, underneath their bellies, thighs, rolls. I mean, anywhere where it folds. For me, it just happens to be underneath my arms. And I actually still do have scarring. I need to shave. So I have quite a bit of scarring under there. But yeah, so anyway, that is my haul and my too much information about my underarms. But I know it's a normal thing. Women, it's life. It's life. So anyway, I'm gonna go and put all this stuff up and I'll check back in with y'all later. I've been over here editing like this vlog and last weekend's vlog and like just talking to friends and doing laundry. And after I'm done with this, I'm probably gonna, this will probably be the last thing I vlog today, and I'm gonna just take a shower and watch some TV and go to bed. But anyway, do myself a favor. I hate when my jumpsuit drag on the ground. So I like to double them like that. I love a good jumpsuit. Like, love. Okay. So I'm gonna push these over here. Boom. That's taken care of. I got one more load of clothes in the washer, and after that I'm gonna put that up, and that's gonna be it for the night. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys